All right, it's just after noon, heading out of Canon City on Shelf Road. It's about 40 degrees, full sun, got the big tires. Should be good. So it was supposed to be like 55 by noon, and it's only like 40, but the sun is just beaming and it feels so warm. I'm actually glad it's not technically any warmer. I did about half of this on the gravel bike last week and decided that I needed to bring the fat tires so that I could definitely do it all and just enjoy it. And it's so luxurious on fat tires. I can't believe it's mid-February. It's beautiful. I haven't been out here since the fall when I did the Phantom Canyon loop, and it seems like it's just as warm. The window. It's cool to see it on the other side. Last time I came down this way from the huge loop, and I wasn't looking behind me very often, but it's pretty cool. Pink house on the hill. All right, about 3 more miles, I think. This is tough. It feels a lot harder than going up Phantom Canyon, but maybe I've lost some fitness since I did that. The Victor gold mine. It's so weird. Cripple Creek. We're at about 9,500 feet, and this is our summit. Losing the sun behind the cliffs, but it's gorgeous. About 2 miles till I'm done.